Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Mazda BT-50, stock number 5981. This ran from 11th 2006 to 09/2011. Has a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door 1 dent. Right front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door 3 dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack CD player. Instrument cluster. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke final steering wheel. Instrument cluster.